I wouldn't know.
So you actually don't need to clean it that often. You just need to do it once, unless you're draining a lot. So I'm looking at your drainage and you're not draining that much. So if you were draining a lot, then that maybe at the beginning you're changing it more often. But now if you look, you're not draining that much. So wounds, we want it to be clean and dry, right? And you're clean and you're dry. So you have this spot, this spot.
That's a good sign.
It's a good sign. Like I have to press on you to see if there's any drainage, right? But yeah, I'm sorry. Does it hurt?
Oh no, it doesn't hurt actually.
Oh, okay, good. Now relax.